Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do in this channel is all about looking for discounted items, promotion items, sale items, because we never want to pay at regular price. So if you're like me and you like to save money, this is the channel for you. And usually I bring a lot of promotions or sales to the audience. So if it's some way somehow helped you save money, or please give it a like. And if you love the channel, that will save you a lot of money, then please subscribe. It's going to help out the channel a lot. On and off, I do have like items from Amazon, and I am an affiliate partner with Amazon, so I do get a little bit of the kickbacks from the links that if you were to purchase through my YouTube channel. Alright, but in this video here with Direct Tools Factory Outlet, I'm not affiliated with them. However, I just noticed that they have awesome sales, and I want to bring it to your attention. Okay, and if for some of you out there, if you're a RIDGID fan, or if you're a RIDGID guy where you have a lot of RIDGID tools, and you want to add some more to your collections, this is a great opportunity. Okay, enough said about that one. Let's get into the deals today. So what you're looking at is this is a RIDGID 18-volt compact half-inch bandsaw. Okay, so this one, its regular price says here is $149, and currently you can get this for $89. And they allow you to ship to home. And with this one, Direct Tools, they charge you like about a flat rate of $9.99 for shipping. So all in all, about $100 for this tool, which is perfect. And another thing is this is factory blemish. So a lot of I noticed a lot of people are asking, like, what's the difference between factory reconditions and factory blemish? I have bought a lot of items with factory blemish, and I have had no issues registering for the lifetime service agreement, also known as the LSA. However, with the factory recondition, you cannot. It does not apply to LSA, so you cannot register it. That's the only downside. Okay, so remember, factory blemish, you can register within 90 days and get a lifetime service agreement. I'm not going to go through in deep detail about what this does. Okay, we're just going to go on to the next tool that we have here. This one is a RIDGID OCTANE 18-volt brushless 1-inch SDS rotary hammer. So this one, regular price is $229. You can get it today for $139. That's an awesome 40% off right there off the back. And remember, this is one of the highest model that they have. However, RIDGID decided to discontinue the OCTANE line, so you will never see OCTANE batteries or OCTANE tools anymore. So this will probably be the last of it. Okay, again, ship to home will cost you about $9.99. Okay, not gonna go through much of that. Same thing, factory blemish, meaning you can register and still get the LSA. Okay, last but not least, okay, for those of you who's out there, you're not a RIDGID fan, you're on a budget, and and you don't work on other stuff a lot, you just want to go buy just a little bit here and there, this set is perfect for you. Regular price is $329. You can get it now for $199. Again, this one will come with, let's take a quick count. Okay, I don't know if it says here, 8 tools right here. So you get the drill, the impact, the reciprocating, the flashlight. Yes, it does count as a tool. The circular saw, and the oscillating tool, and the what do you call it? This it's a saw, but I don't remember. I don't know what it's called. Forgot. It's a sander and a charger and couple batteries. Looks like maybe this is a 2 amp, and these two maybe 4 amps. Okay, for the price, that's a lot of tools, guys. So if you guys are on a budget, this is a perfect time to get on it. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys watched all the way to the end, thank you very much. Please don't forget to give it a like, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.